So this is what high winds can do to a cattle panel hoop house. We've had wind gusts in excess of 55 miles an hour, probably faster than that, being that we always have higher wind out here than the weather people say. But let's take a look inside and see exactly how many cattle panels have collapsed. Alright, it looks like 4 have collapsed. And what started happening was all of the zip ties that we had connecting them together just started snapping. The wind was so extreme, it was just blowing back and forth. I came in here before anything started collapsing and started trying to reattach some with zip ties. But after realizing how dangerous this situation was, I decided I needed to get out of here. So I left it to be, and this is what has happened. I'm pretty sure it's fixable. Hopefully those aren't bent so permanently that we can't get them to cooperate. But we will not attempt to fix this until the wind has died down, probably tomorrow or the next day.